So in order to start our recording, I want to use this screen here, and I'm going to double click on Camtasia 2022, the icon obviously, and we're going to get this window here. Now we have a few choices: new project, new from template, open project, or new recording. And today we're doing a new recording. So I click on new recording, and it's going to give me this recording bar right here that allows me to choose which screen I'm going to use. Now, as you can see, I have several screens here, and this one allows me to choose screens 1, 2, or 3, and this is screen 1 that I want. And then I have a USB camera, and this camera here that you see in this little preview screen is this one that's in front of me here. Okay. And then I have a microphone right here that I choose which microphone I want. I've got this one, which is connected through a Focusrite unit. I also have this one on my desk, but I'm not using that one. I'm using this one. And I hit record. Okay. So there we go. It now starts. Now on my screen, I have this pre-recording bar here, which you have a choice to include this in your recordings or to turn it off in the settings. Now, when it's turned off in the settings for recording, you still see it, but it won't show up on your screen recording, and I can move it out of the way over here. So let's say I'm working on a project where I'm trying to teach someone how to use a software that I use a lot. I would start the software. We'll do this one. I have several videos on how to do backups, and that is on here. It's called Good Sync. I'll link to one of those videos up here, but I can be talking about the program, and I can have it running in the background when I start. I explain how the software works, and then I come back and I stop explaining how it works. To stop the recording, I hit the stop button on my recording bar, and now Camtasia itself, the editing window, is going to open. And this is going to allow me to have my recording screen here. It's going to give me some options. I'm going to keep the project at 30 frames per second. Just click on continue. Remember, we're starting out just in a basic thing here. So that's our recording. And if we look at it, we can play it here. Have this in the settings. Now, when it's turned off in the settings for record, now this is the track that is my camera and is my voice. And that track is down here in the corner, just like that. See, so let's play that some more. You still see it, but it won't show up on your screen recording. So that's that. And now this has a couple of different tracks I want to show you. For one thing, it's the video track here. And then we have an audio button up here. I like to mix this to mono because I'm using a single microphone, okay, and it goes into just one side, and I want to mix it to both sides. If you have two speakers, most of us have two speakers on our computers, mix to mono. You can turn up the gain louder or softer. Let's take a listen, and I can move it out of the way over here. So let's say I'm working on a project. I'm trying to teach someone whatever you need to do, how to use a software that I use. Let's mute that for a second so that I can talk to you and I can edit. So I'm going to right click on track number 2 down here. Click in you have to click in the track itself. And here we can silence audio, and to restore audio, we can restore the audio. You can also press Shift S or Shift R. So we will silence the audio, and now we can show you some more stuff. This is the video of the screen itself, of what's on the program. Okay, so it's going to open up the program that I was playing with. There it is. Okay, and if I want to make some edits to that, I can do that. For example, I can zoom in on this image by making the whole window wider. Look, I'll grab this corner, and that's just affecting the one video, so I'll make it bigger, and I'll center it so it makes more sense. Okay. This one I can make smaller if I need to. I can also change the size of this box if I want to be, if I want to get rid of the door that's over there and the frames are on the wall. If I grab here on the corner, watch what happens. I'm going to make a mistake. Well, the whole thing gets smaller. If I hold down my Option key, okay, I can bring in the sides. So I'm holding down my Option key. Oops, the wrong one. Come on. Holding down my Option key, there we go. And let's bring the top down a little bit. And then I can put myself over in the corner. And that has been applied to the entire track. Now I can move this cursor, or this is called the scrubbing playhead, right? You can go through your video like this, right, to different places, right? And if you wanted to get rid of a section of time that you didn't want to talk, let's see, what is this saying? Let's turn the video back on and restore video, audio. Here, it's called Good Sync. I'll link to, let's get rid of the time that I was searching for it, that I use a lot. Oh, that's a good place. I'll get rid of the This thing right here, that's my there we go. I got rid of that. Now I select this by moving the green part over here. So this is the entire selection here. And I'm going to select both tracks. And I'm going to right click and press on Ripple Delete. And I just cut that out. See that? That I use a lot. I would start the software. We'll do this one. I have several videos on how to do backups. And that is on here. So that is a quick and dirty introduction to how to make your first video and just get it on there. You know, just press record, talk, and then edit a little bit. And we'll be doing more soon. Thanks for watching. Come back and subscribe. You know how to do it. Thanks. Bye. Okay, where's the stop button? I have so many stop buttons. I've lost it. Ah, that's funny. Oh, here it is. It's over here. It was over here on this screen. Bye.